Alright everybody, just Ron here. So trying to make some new videos for everybody to enjoy. So please, if you like the video, hit like and we can have a conversation about it. Leave feedback, comments, subscribe to my channel. I'm just trying to make my channel a little bit better, you know. So the funny thing is, I went to Best Buy the other day. I'll make this quick because people don't like to hear me talk. And I have a Samsung 9 Galaxy, which if you can see here, it still has the wrapper on the back from I bought it like 2.5, 3 years ago. Samsung 9's Galaxy has been great for me, but I went in, the guy said, "You ready for an upgrade? What do you want?" I said, maybe the 10, I don't know, maybe the 11, me not knowing what's going on. The guy said, we're actually on 20 now, and he said, we don't have the 20 regular, but we have the 20+5G plus. And I said, okay, well, cool. If that's what you have, and it was a good deal. So taking it out of the box, they did set this up in Best Buy for me initially to make sure everything works, so that's pretty cool. So I ended up going with the S20 plus, multiple cameras, different angles, different lenses. It's great. I've tried some pictures before on it already. It looks awesome. If you look back at the 9S, it has some cameras here as well with the fingerprint in the end. It's a little dirty. Don't judge me for being dirty, but it's a little dirty, but it still works great. I love the camera here as well. Just had to upgrade because it was a little slow. So if you look at this right here, this camera here is so freaking awesome. Look at the picture, look at the quality in this. I know the lights are gonna kind of throw it off a little bit. On the side here you have two buttons, one volume up, volume down. You have the swipe to unlock. So now this is pretty cool here. I'm still not even installing it yet because it's so new to me, right? So didn't even install everything of it, didn't do the system upgrades or anything. Kind of want to show it to you right out of the box. Look at the picture in that thing. It's pretty awesome. Let's let that sit right here for a sec. Right here for a second. If I can get it to sit here right for a second. Let's do close all. Close all. That's a pretty picture. Now I'm going back to my 9S, which... So the thing about this is, it is a lighter, slimmer phone, right? You know, it's doing some kind of random things now. Lighter, slimmer phone. It has the 6.7 screen. The processing speed in this thing is awesome. It's so fast. It does so many things better than the 9. I know I jumped a couple of generations, so for me, I'm just like a little kid in a candy shop here, right? It's so fast. It's got widescreen on the cameras. The outside is a little bit easier to hold, with the shape not being so rounded off as what the predecessors were. It's fast, it's powerful. I played a couple games on this thing. It was just flying through. Fingerprint recognition works out great too as well. On the back, like I said again, it's got multiple areas here. Camera. The front, the picture is just so amazing. It's really awesome. I love it. For a new phone here. So yeah, I got a pretty good deal at Best Buy. Now what I'm actually going through Sprint, which has merged with T-Mobile, so the service should be a little bit better. The S20, which is great. Awesome phone, love it so far. I just want to kind of show you guys I'm upgrading. So another thing I'm doing kind of is just trying to put things on my channel that people will get excited about, right? So maybe if we get enough likes on this thing right here, I'll stop it. We're not going to give away a free camera. Come on now. If you look at the sizes on these, this is the S20 Plus, and this is the Galaxy S. So it's a little bit bigger on the screen, right? This has a case on it, which I'll take off now because I'm not really using it anymore. I love this case, by the way. If I knew who made it, maybe I'll put it in the comment section. It's a simple case, clear, great. It served me 2 or 3 years of just great service. Kept my phone pretty much brand new. Still got the tab on it, and someone will be buying this from me on Facebook Marketplace soon. And it's a really good phone, and they will enjoy it for sure. So that's where I'm going from, and this is what I'm going to. So once again, the comparison on the size: S20 Plus. Also in the Plus box comes, unlike Apple, it comes with charging units, a cube, which is great. Apple comes with the new USB-C connectors, and they don't put the right accessories in there. That's why I love Samsung. It also comes with a charging cable, which is great. Can never have too many of these. Also comes with a earphones headset. Great. Although I have a good pair of those. Check my channel out on other headphones. I have some good ones that you may like to purchase. And then this is a box that has nothing in it. Classic. Way to go, Samsung. It's a filler box. Make it my phone protected. Thank you. So that's what comes with it. You get the wire charging, you get the headphones, and you also get the cube as well. Unlike Apple, where you don't get that at. I know if you like Apple and you don't like Samsung, you're gonna probably hate me on that. If you so, put the comments down below. I don't know why Apple couldn't give you a cable and a cube. Not sure why, but hey, it's no big deal. Here's the connection on the charger. Here's the wires that will go with that, compatible. It all comes with the Samsung and not with the Apples, which I still love Apples. I've just purchased 4 Apple phones this weekend, so people who like Apple don't hate on me, because my family loves them. And we've spent thousands of dollars on them, so commend the product. But I just prefer Samsung a little bit better. So let me know how you like your S20s. Add any comments below. Like I say, once again, thanks for guys for watching my video. And add, like, subscribe. I'm going to do more unboxing soon. Any comments or suggestions you guys have, let me know, and we will see you later. Thank you so much. I am Just Ron, and I'm out of here. Everybody, please be safe, and I'll see you around soon. Thank you. Bye.